Duplicating and sharing funnels is one of the fastest ways to scale your business, test new angles, or collaborate with others without reinventing the wheel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to duplicate and share funnels the right way, keeping your links, products, and ownership settings intact. This is one of those features that feels like a magic trick once you start using it. Let's begin inside your main dashboard. Go to your products list and find the funnel you want to reuse. Click the three dots and then click Copy the Product. Your new funnel has the name Copy in it, and I like to rename it something that helps me know how I'm using the new version. For the sake of this funnel, I want to take my lead magnet funnel and recreate it into a VSL funnel to book a discovery call with me for my high-ticket services. So I'm going to write VSL at the beginning of this product so I know which version is which. Now let's open the duplicated funnel and take a quick tour. Make sure the pages, pricing, and product settings all came through correctly. Change them if you want to. And for me, I'm going to come up to the top and change the funnel type to a video sales letter. Notice, it is the same topic, same general content, but the copy and layout has been updated to be a VSL. I can personalize the updated version with a new headline, new images, maybe new dates or promotional angles. Save your changes and publish that new funnel so it's ready to test. Making second versions is so easy with Pagewheel. Now, let's talk about sharing funnels with others. In that same options menu, click the share icon. This generates a link that lets someone else import the offer pages you just made into their own account. Once they do that, they have their own private version. Their edits won't change your funnel, and your future edits won't change theirs. Everyone stays in their own lane, and everything stays tidy. If you ever need to remove a shared or duplicated funnel from your dashboard, you can hit the trash can. Know that removing it from your account does not remove it from anyone else's account. So don't worry. You can clean up your dashboard without losing anything important. And that's it. This is what scaling looks like. Faster improvement, quicker launches, and way less work. You are officially out of start from zero mode. Duplicate your funnel now and try a fresh angle. Fast improvements lead to faster growth, and you're already on that path.